good morning, and welcome, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well. So, today in this chapter, we all are going to learn about the natural vegetation in India. Okay, hope you will enjoy this topic. Watch the video till the end. Okay. You all know that because of its diverse climatic condition and physical features, India is a home to a great variety of natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, so here in this chapter, we will discuss the different natural types of natural vegetation that exist in India. Okay, we have a tidal forest in the coastal region, then tropical evergreen forest, then monsoon or the moist deciduous forest, then we have a forest mountain, then we have a desert type of the forest. Okay, depending upon the variation in the climate and the soil, the vegetation of the India changes from time to time. Okay, now we will see one by one. Okay, here are the different types of vegetation that found in India: tropical evergreen forest, monsoon forest, mountain vegetation, desert vegetation, and the tidal vegetation. Now we will look one by one. Tropical evergreen forest. For this forest, we need an average temperature of 200 centimeter and 200 centimeter of rainfall. Average range of temperature from here 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and humidity 77 percentage. Okay, the trees of this evergreen forest are broadleaf and hardwoods. These are the dense forest and the most prominent forest that found in India. Okay, some of the important trees include like here rosewood, mahogany, ebony, and the sesame. These are the important trees of this type of forest. Now the places. The western parts of the Kerala, Karnataka, and Maharashtra, and the parts of the West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Andaman and the Nicobar Island. Okay, these all are the places where we can find the tropical evergreen forest. The next forest is tropical deciduous forest. For this, the rainfall required 150 to 200 centimeter and temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. They are found on the eastern slope of the Western Ghats, across the northeastern part of the Deccan Plateau and Sivaliks in the north. They are also found in the Narmada and Tapti Valley. The trees found here include the teak, shal, sandalwood, and banyan, mango, jackfruit, neem. These all are the important trees of this forest. Now, next we have a mountain forest. They cover the Himalayan states in the northern and the northeastern India. And the natural vegetation found here varies with the altitude of a region. Okay, the between 1000 to 200 meter, this type of the forests are found in the eastern part of the Himalayas, the western part of the Himalayas. Okay, and mainly the coniferous trees such as silver fir, cheer, pine, deodar are the some of the prominent trees that found in this type of the forest. Okay, the next one we have is the mangrove or the tidal forest. The seaward edge of the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the land around the Gulf of Kutch and the deltas of the Mahanadi and the Godavari. These are the places where the mangrove forests are prominent in India. The temperature required for this forest is 23 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and rainfall abundantly required here between 200 to 300 centimeter. That is also evenly distributed throughout the year. The Sundari trees, okay, which you all can see in the picture, the Sundaris trees of the Sundarban of the Ganga deltas are the very prominent trees of this type of the forest, and all the important trees are like the Goran. The deltas formed by these rivers are prone to getting submerged during the high tides. Okay, breathing roots. You all can see the breathing roots. These roots are called pneumatophores. Enable these trees to leave the soft brackish mud. Next, we have a desert or the arid forest. Okay, Desert forest has an average rainfall of less than 50 centimeter. The prominent feature of the desert forest are small leaves, thick bark, and the long roots. Indian wild date is common in this type of the desert vegetation. Okay, now see the places. It is found at the western Rajasthan, South Haryana, Punjab, and in some parts of the Gujarat. Example sites of the kakar babul are the important trees. So this is all about the natural vegetation of India. Hope you all understand. Take